Welcome to Via Digital YouTube channel, Python tutorials. I am Srinivas. In this session, I am going to discuss about membership operators. Membership operators in Python. Membership operators in Python. Okay, right? Membership operator. What are the membership operators are available? What is the main purpose of these operators? Are used to the given value is a member of the sequence or not. These operators are used to find find the given value present or not in a sequence. These operators are mainly used to find the given value present or not in a sequence. Here, what is sequence? Here, sequence means it may be either list or tuple or set or dictionary or string. Sequence may be list or tuple, set or dictionary or list. In Python supports two types of membership operators. Number one, one is in operator. Number two is not in operator. In and not in operator. In operator and not in operator. What is in operator? In operator, it is used to find the value present or not. Now it returns true. The value present in the sequence. It returns false, the value not present in the sequence. If it returns true, the given value present in a sequence. The given value present in a sequence. If it returns false, the value is false. The given value not present in a sequence. Clear, everyone? Clear right now. For example, if it is a present, true. If it is not present, value equal to false. And one more, for example, x equal to Python. Print of okay, t in x. X equal to Python is a value. If t in x, it returns true. Now the t present in x, so it returns the value equal to 2. This one returns the value true value. Okay. For example, print of m in x. Okay. This function is the given value. This m is a given value. The given value m is a present in x. X value is Python. The given value is not present in x. Now it is the value equal to false. Now go to this session and run the value, same value. Now x equal to Python. Okay. X equal to Python. Clear? Now t, for example, t in x. T is present in x. So that's true. For example, m in x, the value equal to false value. Clear, guys? This is the in operator. Again, like one more example. Second syntax is not in operator. This is the completely reverse of the in operator. Opposite of the in operator. If it returns true, then the given value not present. The given value not present in a sequence. Okay. If it returns false, then the given value present in a sequence. Okay, clear. For example 1, x equal to Python. Okay, print of, okay, T not in X. If it returns true, then the given value not present in X. It returns false, then the given value present in sequence. Now it's the value T in present, T in X is true. T in X not in X means that is equal to the value false. False. It is false. In the given value present in a sequence. If it is present false, so now it's present in a sequence, there's the value true. For example, here run this command. Okay. For example, X equal to Python. Okay. T not in X. T in X is true. Similarly, true T not in X. That means that is the value false. For example, M not in X. True. For example, Z not in X. True. For example, M Python O not in X. This is an example of. Now one more example. Second example using in and not in operators. Using in and not in operators. For example, the second example is using in and not in operators. For example, write the program using a simple program like a program. Okay, run this command. These are the comment section. One program, for example, it's a program. Second example is completely program. This is X value equal to X equal to one list 11, 22, 33, and 44. It is a list. Okay, X value is a some list of value. Print of 11 in X. What happens? 11 in X. 11 is present in X. So it returns the value equal to 2. 11 is present in X. For example, print of 44 in X. Is the value 2. For example, print of 55 not in X. Is the value 2. Print of 33 not in X. 33 in X is true. 33 not in X is false. This is the value. Run this command. It's a completely program. It's a complete program. For example, true. 11 in X, true. Okay. 44 in X, true. Okay. 55 not in X. 55 not in X. That is equal to true. 33 not in X. 33 in X is true. But 33 not in X is false. Clear? This is the using in and not in operators. Using X is a list. For example, if it is a example using in and not in operators, using sets. For example, if it is a set, For example, it is a set. For example, M equal to M is a set, or S equal to is a set. Curly braces. For example, 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 99. Okay, clear? Now print of. Okay, 44 in S. S is a given set. Print of. Okay, 99 not in S. 99 in S is true. 99 not in S is false. And the print of 11 not in S, that is equal to false. And press run this command. 44 in S, true. 99 not in S, false. 11 not in S, false. For example, print of 66 in S, true. For example, print of RAM in S, false. RAM in S, false. Now this is a command. This is a using in and not in operators. True. First one true. Second one false. Third one false. Fourth one true. Fifth one, last one is false. RAM in as false. Here, one more example. For example, fourth example. Okay. For example, this is a one string S equal to one string. Python is a high-level language. Python is a high-level language. Python is a high-level language. Okay. For example, print of is. Is a string. Is in S. True or false. Print of. Okay. right? Interpreter in S, true or false? Print of, okay. ANGUA in S, true or false? Print of level, not in S, true or false? Print of A, not in S, true or false? So clear, guys? Clear? Run this command. The last example, fourth example, example 4, run this function. The last one, fourth example. Python is a high-level language. Okay, clear? So first example, S in S, is in S, is in present S, true. Interpreter in S, interpreter string is not present in S, so it is a value false. ANGUA is string is present in S, true. Level not in S, level in S, true, but the level not in S is false. A not in S, that value equal to false. Run this command. Now this is the free each and everyone. First one, true. Is in S, true. Interpreter not in S, false. ANGUA in S, true. ANGUA is present. This is ANGUA substring. ANGUA present is true. Okay. Now the next one. Level, level. Level in S, true. But here we are writing level not in S, the value equal to false. A in S, true. A not in S, the value equal to false. Clear, guys, up to here? Okay. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching this video. This is completely in membership operators in Python using in. Membership operators are two. One is in operator and not in operator. Okay. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you very much.